Samsung Galaxy A37 versus Samsung Galaxy M47. The Samsung A37 stands out with a significantly slimmer profile at just 7.4mm compared to the thicker 7.8mm. For maximum ergonomic comfort, the Samsung A37 is much lighter to hold, weighing only 196 grams against 200 grams. Both devices deliver a vibrant visual experience, featuring an identical Super AMOLED display technology. The Samsung A37 takes the lead in media playback with PS4 HDR10 support, which is missing with No. Enjoy fluid animation across both screens as both models support a highly responsive 120Hz refresh rate. The Samsung A37 dominates outdoor visibility, pumping out 1900 nits over the weaker 1400 nits. Expect identical crispness and text clarity on both panels, with both sharing a dense 385 ppi density. The Samsung M47 wins by a fraction, offering a more immersive display thanks to its 86.8% screen-to-body ratio. Both panels deliver sharp visual with an identical and detailed resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. When it comes to pure screen real estate, both smartphones are tied perfectly at 6.7 inches. Durability remains identical for both models, as both rely on premium Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The Samsung A37 brings superior processing speed, clocking in at 2.75 GHz over 2.4 GHz on the opponent. Performance is smoother on the Samsung A37 with its Exynos 4080 chip, leaving the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 behind. Gaming is handled efficiently by both devices, as both the Exynos A530 and Adreno 710 are their check marks. The Samsung A37 delivers much more aggressive performance, making it the better choice for high-end gaming. Software longevity is identical, with both taking the latest Android 16 One UI 8.5 ecosystem straight out of the box. The Samsung M47 completely dominates endurance with a massive 6000 mAh cell, hitting the smaller 5000 mAh battery. Powering up will take an identical amount of time, as both handsets support efficient 45W fast charging. If you need expandable storage, the Samsung M47 offers excellent convenience with yes for its memory slot. Data transfer speeds remain perfectly met, with both devices employing Swift 3.1 UFS technology. The Samsung A37 provides significantly smoother multitasking capabilities thanks to a generous 12GB over 8GB. Storage space is a total tie, as both smartphones provide ample room with 256GB of internal memory. Photographic capabilities remain perfectly balanced, with both sharing an identical 50MP main setup and macro lenses. Mobile videographers will find an equal playing field, as both handsets capture sharp 4K at 30fps footage. Selfies will look equally sharp across both front cameras, thanks to their matching 12MP f2.2 sensors. Front-facing video capabilities are completely identical, with both devices recording up to 4K at 30fps. The Samsung A37 offers vastly superior environment protection with an IP60 and 1.5-meter rating. Wired headphone users are out of luck on both, as both models say no 3.5mm for the traditional audio jack. Connectivity standards remain completely equal, with both utilizing standard Type-C 2.0 ports. Audio quality is balanced on both ends, with both the stereo and mono setups earning their checkmark here. Wireless connectivity is slightly faster and more efficient on the Samsung A37, utilizing 5.4 over 5.3. Contactless payments and quick pairing are supported equally, with both devices featuring PS4 and NFC. Biometric security is well optimized on both sides, as both the in-display sensor and side sensor win. The Samsung A37 offers superior modern connectivity, supporting advanced 2SIM eSIM setup over standard dual SIM. Enjoy faster wireless data on the Samsung A37, which features superior 5G Wi-Fi 6 capabilities over 5G Wi-Fi 5. If you are looking for better value for your money, the Samsung M47 is the more affordable option. Choose the Samsung A37 for top-tier performance and feature, or grab the M47 for unmatched battery life. The ultimate victor of this comparison is the Samsung A37, dominating the field with a final score of 31 points.